Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the screen replacement on your Dell P137G001, you'll need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's also wise to remove the battery to avoid any electrical issues. Begin by carefully removing the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws organized as you'll need them later for reassembly. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover off. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you risk damaging the clips that hold it in place. Next, locate the screws securing the screen hinges. Remove these screws and gently lift the screen from the base. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Once the screen is free, disconnect the video cable carefully from the motherboard. It's helpful to use the microfiber cloth to protect any sensitive components during this process. If your screen has adhesive, you might need to apply some heat using a heat gun or a hairdryer to loosen it before you can fully detach it from the frame. This makes the process smoother and prevents damage to the surrounding areas. Remember to wear heat-resistant gloves to protect yourself. Now, before you attach the new screen, take a moment to clean the internal components. Dust can accumulate and affect performance, so using a can of compressed air can be beneficial here. If you're unsure about the cleaning process or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once cleaned, it's time to connect the new screen. Align the video cable carefully with the connector on the motherboard and gently press it into place. After that, position the new screen onto the hinges and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that it's firmly in place before moving on. Reattach the back cover by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws from the back panel, ensuring they're tight but not overly so to avoid stripping the holes. At this point, if you find the process daunting or you simply don't have the tools, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier than ever. No calls, no travel, just a hassle-free service. Once everything is secured, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Check to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. If it doesn't power up, double-check the connections you made earlier. Finally, if you'd like a quote before repair, our service can assist you in understanding the costs involved without any hidden fees. This way, you can proceed with confidence knowing exactly what to expect. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the screen on your Dell P137G001. Enjoy your refreshed device, and remember that professional help is always at your fingertips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.